Carlisle Companies Incorporated, ticker symbol CSL, has been in my portfolio for over 1.5 years. With an average cost of $151, I have an unrealized gain of 100% on this stock. Last week, they announced a huge dividend increase of 39%. This is the largest increase by CSL in the past 25 years and marks 46 consecutive years of dividend growth. In this video, we're covering the company information, what is Carlisle, what they do. We are doing a financial statement analysis. We will go over the dividend statistics, and in the end, we will come up with a conclusion. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of CSL. Without further ado, let's get into it. Carlisle Companies Incorporated is a leading supplier of innovative building envelope products and energy-efficient solutions for customers creating sustainable buildings of the future. Through our Carlisle Construction Materials and Carlisle Weatherproofing Technologies businesses and family of leading brands, Carlisle delivers innovative, labor-reducing and environmentally responsible products and solutions to customers across the world through the Carlisle experience. Over the life of a building, Carlisle's products help drive lower green gas emissions, improve energy savings for building owners and operators, and increase the building's resilience to the elements. Driven by our strategic plan, Vision 2025, Carlisle is committed to generating superior stockholder returns and maintaining a balanced capital deployment approach, including investments in our businesses, strategic acquisitions, share purchases, and continued dividend increases. Carlisle is also a leading provider of products to the aerospace, medical technologies, and general industrial markets through its Carlisle Interconnect Technologies and Carlisle Fluid Technologies business segments. Carlisle Companies Incorporated consists of 4 different business segments, including Carlisle Construction Materials, also known as CCM, Carlisle Weatherproofing Technologies, CWT, Carlisle Interconnect Technologies, CIT, and Carlisle Fluid Technologies, CFT. Carlisle Construction Materials. This segment produces a complete line of premium single-ply roofing products and warranted roof systems and accessories for the commercial building industry, including EPDM, TPO and PVC membrane, polyadhesion insulation, and near-to-metal roofing and wall panel systems for commercial and residential buildings. Carlisle Weatherproofing Technologies. This segment produces building envelope solutions that effectively drive energy efficiency and sustainability in commercial and residential applications. Products include high-performance waterproofing and moisture protection products, protective roofing underlayments, fully integrated liquid and sheet-applied air/vapor barriers, sealants/primers and flashing systems, roof coatings and mastics, spray polyurethane foam and coating systems for a wide variety of thermal protection applications and other premium polyurethane products, block molded expanded polystyrene insulation, engineered products for HVAC applications, and premium rubber products for a variety of industrial and servicing applications. Carlisle Interconnect Technologies. This segment produces high-performance wire and cable, including optical fiber, for the commercial aerospace, military and defense electronics, medical device, industrial, and test and measurement markets. Interconnect Technology product portfolio also includes sensors, connectors, contacts, cable assemblies, complex harnesses, racks, trays, and installation kits, in addition to engineering and certification services. CIT also provides medical device products and solutions for several medical technology applications. Carlisle Fluid Technologies. This segment produces highly engineered liquid, power, sealants, and adhesive finishing equipment and integrated system solutions for spraying, pumping, mixing, metering and curing of a variety of coatings used in automotive manufacture, general industrial, protective coating, wood, specialty, and automotive refinishing markets. Carlisle Companies Incorporated made a few acquisitions along the way. MB Technology. On February the 1st of 2022, the company acquired 100% of the equity of MB Technology, also known as MB Tech, for the consideration of $26.3 million including 1.6 million of cash acquired and post-closing adjustments, which were finalized in the second quarter of 2022. ASP Henry Holdings. On September 1st, 2021, the company acquired ASP Henry Holdings, a provider of building envelope systems, for the consideration of $1,605 million, including 34.3 million of cash acquired and post-closing adjustments, which were finalized in the fourth quarter of 2021. Let's do a financial statement analysis. First up, we're going to take a look at the revenue growth over the past 5 years on the income statement. As you can see, the revenue is up big time from 3.7 billion to 6 billion. The next metric is net income growth over the past 5 years, which you can find on the balance sheet. Net income is up more than 100% over the past 5 years, with a few spikes along the way. The third metric is cash flow growth over 5 years, which you can find on the cash flow tab. On average, the cash flow has been on the same level, but over the past 5 years, it has seen a growth of 6%. Next up, we have the return on invested capital, which you can find in the 10K. Although it has been declining for the past 6 years, the ROIC is still around the 20%, which is really good. For the next metric, we have the total common shares outstanding, which is down almost 20%, which is really good unless they are buying back expensive shares, which obviously decreases the ROIC as well. But we will go over that in a second. Last but not least is the total debt divided by the 5-year free cash flow. We want this number preferably under 5. It takes CSL almost 6 years to repay all of their debt, which is a little on the higher side, but okay since they're heavily investing the capital into themselves to grow. CSL has historically been trading at a premium PE with a 5-year average of 23.68. This is a high grown company, so we'll have to see if a high PE of 21.71 time to market is justified. With an average growth rate of 7% over the last couple of years, I believe their stock price is fairly overvalued. A discounted cash flow calculation in my spreadsheet gives me a fair value of $211, which means that the stock has to fall another 30% before I'm adding to this position. Let's talk dividend stats. Their recent dividend increase of 39% brings the 5-year growth rate to 11%, which is really good and exactly what I look for in a dividend stock. A low dividend yield of 1%, which makes the stock a very long-term play. They have a very healthy payout ratio of 13.24%. They have been consecutively growing their dividend for 44 years and they're planning to maintain and proceed this streak. The conclusion for Carlisle Companies Incorporated. Their dividend stats are absolutely amazing. Their financial data looks solid apart from the valuation metrics. As I showed in the discounted cash flow calculation, this stock has to drop another 30% to become fairly valued. Be sure to add this stock to your watch list and load up once this price hits your target. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Check out my other video where I show how to create a dividend stock portfolio tracker from scratch. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.